home design is about more than just aesthetics. Even million-dollar properties can be uncomfortable to live in if the layout ignores how humans move and behave. Today, we're exploring common layout mistakes in home design and how to fix them, so you can create a home that truly feels good to live in. Let's start with staircases. When designed well, a staircase can be an interesting, dynamic, and sociable space. It can be where pets watch you arrive home, where children learn to tie their shoes, or where you make a grand entrance. To achieve this, make your staircase visible rather than hidden behind solid walls and doors. Use open materials like balustrades or partial walls to allow light through. The first few steps are crucial. Widen them, flare them out, and let them double as seats. Avoid turning the staircase into a dark tunnel by placing windows near the landing or along the stair run. Next, let's talk about transition spaces. If you don't have an enclosed foyer, you're exposing the inside of your home directly to the outside. Always build a real foyer or entrance room if you have the space. This creates a transition between the public outside and your private home. You can use internal windows and glass doors to maintain light while creating separation. Now, you might think sacrificing circulation and entrance space will make the rest of your home feel bigger. However, this is a mistake. The proportion of the entrance sets the tone for the entire house. If you feel squeezed when entering, that feeling will linger regardless of how spacious the rest of the house is. Allow at least 1.5 meters of clear space in your entryway. This is non-negotiable for comfort. Let's move on to room layouts. The placement of doors in a room matters significantly as it defines the invisible paths people take. A common mistake is putting doors in the middle of a room, turning what could be a cozy space into an uncomfortable corridor. Always place doors near corners in small and mid-sized rooms. In rooms with multiple doors, keep them close together on one end to concentrate movement and leave uninterrupted zones for furniture. Bathroom layouts are another area where small changes can make a big difference. You don't want to open the door and immediately see the toilet. It's much better to see a beautiful vanity with a mirror. If you're creating a new bathroom or renovating an old one, consider changing the layout or even just switching the direction of the door swing. Windows play a crucial role in creating comfortable spaces. If you want a room that feels inviting and gets used frequently, provide light from two sides. People consistently prefer rooms with bilateral lighting. One-sided light creates harsh gradients, while two-sided light balances contrast, reduces glare, and makes a room feel more dynamic and alive. If you're building or renovating, try to add windows on multiple sides of your main living spaces. Lastly, let's discuss balconies. A narrow, exposed balcony often feels unsafe and disconnected from the home. Instead, think of your balcony as an outdoor room. Make it at least 6 feet deep to allow for comfortable gathering and movement. Recess it partially into the building for protection and add screens for privacy. If you design it like a semi-outdoor room, people will use it as such. If you design it like a shelf, it will end up being just decoration. By avoiding these common layout mistakes and implementing these solutions, you can create a home that not only looks beautiful but feels comfortable and functional to live in. Remember, good design is about more than aesthetics. It's about creating spaces that enhance our daily lives and behaviors.